Without further ado, let's address the elephant in the room. Utility Trailer Manufacturing Company is excited to collaborate with Schmitz Cargobull to bring ultra-low emission transport refrigeration units to North America via their joint venture, Cargobull North America.
Together, Utility and Schmitz Cargobull have established CB&A to bring you the Cargobull single and multi-temp transport refrigeration units, or TRUs, and their integrated advanced trailer telematics. This technology is new to North America and will be available exclusively from Utility on our 3000R refrigerated trailers. Cargobull North America's mission is to provide North American food service industry a giant leap forward in terms of TRU fuel savings, reduced emissions, and advanced telematics.
I took Jeff's speech and I could literally put in Schmitz Cargobull for Utility and it all worked out. When the best American company and the best German company for refrigerated reefers as proven by the market shares combined, then we're going to be very successful together. We do foresee setting up a manufacturing plant in North America. Right now the plan calls for 2026. That's something that we'd like to do together here with the Bennetts and with Utility.